Well, hey everybody, it's J.M. Wood here, Sandcastles and Honeybees. Wanted to show you something I'm going to be working on today. It's second week in November. Weather's turned off a little wet and just 50 degrees or less. No time to mess with the bees, but I did want to take my time over the weekend to really prep for a few things coming up in the spring and be ready. I'll show you. I've got a 5-frame nuke box here that really, if you put a feeder in it, what I've learned is it really only holds 3 frames. So if you take one of these inside feeders out, which is 3 quarts, then you can get 5 frames into it, no problem, obviously. So it's really made to go either way. Okay, well, one of the things I'm starting to do here is just paint this little box with some exterior paint. I don't have to win an award for it, but I do want to make sure it's on there good and thick. That's a good chance to just kind of seal this little box up again. Looks like this little box is one that was it's one piece. There's no separate bottom board or anything like that. So should be able to get this thing coated, make it look good, and get it ready for next year. I put a piece of plywood under the bottom so I didn't have to worry about it so bad, and I can keep painting on this as much as I need to. Put a couple coats on it. Got one of the sides painted. I'm gonna roll it around and really just paint the back. You don't have to paint the inside, obviously. In fact, don't really want to do that at all. Just paint the outside really good, seal up anything that might be an issue, although this box looks pretty good. Just need to coat it again and make sure it's ready to go. A whole piece of plywood this thing's sitting on, painting each side. But you can see it doesn't take long. Get your big brush and some nice exterior paint. Doesn't even have to be nice, just paint that's still decent. I prefer the light color because it matches everything else, but also for the heat, probably would draw a little less heat. Okay, so, well, here's the little box finished out. It did pretty good. Leave the inside the way it is, don't paint it, and we'll do the top. Okay, well, I got the box pretty much finished up here. Top's painted, and I feel like the last thing that I want to do is on the front of this. I'm going to take a permanent marker here, and I'm going to take my time doing it, but I'm going to draw a little honeybee. And I want to do this for a couple of reasons. Here's here. And I'm going to work on this for just a little bit here, and I'll be back to you. But I want to be able to put something on the front so when this little hive comes in here, or this little colony comes in, they can easily identify this is their small box around some of the bigger hives. A quick bee here with a little flower. This little quick flower here, so these guys will know what this bee's doing. And that'll give them a little bit of a feel for when they come up and do orientation flights. This will easily identify where they're supposed to call home. Okay, well, I got that finished up pretty quick. It looks good. They'll be able to fly in. It's pretty unique, so it'll separate itself from the other hive. Okay, you can see the finished product. I put the lid on, drew some more bees up here, one more bee, finished the flower. They ought to be able to identify that and then go to the entrance. The box finished up nice. This whole thing probably took me maybe, painted in about 30 minutes and then drew it in about 5. So, all right, give that a try.